Imagine you have personal assistant for all your writing and coding. Meet OpenAI Canva, your new partner in productivity. Hey guys, my name is Vlad, and in today's video we're gonna talk about really cool stuff that OpenAI just announced a day ago. It's a OpenAI ChatGPT Canva. It's a new addition to Chat that could help you streamline your writing and coding workflow. I recommend you watch this video till the end because this tool is really cool. If you're ready, then let's get started. OpenAI has introduced new interface called Canvas. It's basically for working with ChatGPT on writing and coding projects. This interface actually allows for more collaborative and interactive work beyond just simple chat. So you can use this tool kind of your AI assistant. Canvas opens in a separate window, so you will be able to use ChatGPT along your work. You can create and refine ideas easier. It's currently available for Plus and Team users, and once it exits beta, it will be available for free for all users. Since I have Plus account, I decided to give it a shot, and in today's video I'm going to show you how it's easy and cool to use this feature. To start with Canvas, simply open chatgpt.com, then in top drop-down you will be able to select ChatGPT for all with Canvas. Then here you can start your first prompt. Let me show you some example. I will ask ChatGPT to help me write blog post about Canva and look at the result. So it's working pretty fast. It's write for me really nice blog post, but now we have the ability to improve it. So I can select some part of the text and I can ask ChatGPT, for example, to make, for example, this title simpler. This title or even full article is could rewrite for me full article or even specific paragraph inside that article. So as you could see, at the left hand side I have ChatGPT and at the right hand side I have my Canvas. At the right hand corner we have extra functions. For example, if you want to increase the length of your article, you just simply click this icon and then pull this toggle up and the article will be longer. As you could see, ChatGPT will write for me article and make it much longer. So cool and really easy. Inside the article, we can select some part of the text and we can ask ChatGPT to improve or rewrite specific part of the content. For example, change call to action to watch the video. And here we go. ChatGPT will change only this part of the article. So cool and really fast. Another cool stuff that available inside Canvas is the reading level. So basically you can simplify the writing to middle school, kindergarten, for example, graduate school, college, high school, and other levels. So let me try. I'll choose kindergarten and let's see the result. So ChatGPT will write for me whole article and make it much simpler for even children can understand the text. So cool and so powerful. Another function that is also available for writing is extra polish. So basically ChatGPT will try to make final version of your article. So it's polish it for you, make nice paragraph, bullet points, conclusion, call to action, and everything that you can use to post this article to your blog or other websites. You also can add emoji to your article. This function is also available there, but you can give it a shot and see the result. As you can see in my article, I think too much emoji. Okay, the cool part is coming. So let's try Canvas with some coding challenge. For example, I will ask Canvas to write simple JavaScript game that I can run in the browser, and let's see for the result. So as you could see, ChatGPT started to write for me code, and it's really different from what we've seen before because we have really big window with our code. It similar looks like IDE basically, And then here we have extra functionality. The one I like the most, you can change the language of the code so easily. For example, I choose PHP, and right now ChatGPT write for me everything for PHP language. That's really, really cool. Just with few clicks, I convert my JavaScript into PHP. That's insane. Let's try another language. For example, you can convert your code into, for example, Java code, and it's also working really well. As you could see, ChatGPT make it really perfectly. The good thing is that all your additional requests you can see at the left-hand side. So if you want to go back, just click on the history and you will see your previous code. For example, there is another functionality that can help to fix bug in your code. Basically, ChatGPT go through each line of your code and try to find some issues. I think this feature is really handy, especially if you don't know anything about coding. I think is really useful. You also can add the logs. For example, if you have the issue with your code, it will help you to see the errors in the console. So basically, ChatGPT will pull the most important variables to your console log so you can see what's going on. I think this feature is really handy as well. And the last feature in this set is a comments. I think sometimes it's so important to add comments in your code because it's not that obvious. And this feature, I think, really important. It's so easy to add comments, so you can save a lot of your time. Unfortunately, you cannot run the code directly in Canvas, but you can ask ChatGPT how to run your code. For example, I asked ChatGPT at the left-hand side how to run the game, and ChatGPT give me step-by-step instructions how to run this game in my browser. So let's try. So this is my page and this is my game. It's not that beautiful, but it's working. Seems it's working. Let me try. Yes. I click on the square and I get some score. Nice. So the game is working. Let's try to improve layout a little bit. So I'll check how ChatGPT can improve layout. Let me go back to Canvas and ask ChatGPT to add some styling. I just want to show you how it's easy to adjust the code if something is going wrong. So right now ChatGPT is writing for me new code that I can use instead of my previous one. So once it's finished, all what we need to do, just copy this code and paste it instead of our previous one. Save the page and open again. Let me refresh the page and voila, our game looks much better. So let's try. As you could see, the game is working fine and it looks much better. That's it. As you can see, it's really, really nice. I recommend you to try it. If you haven't tried it yet, please give it a shot. It's really interesting. Probably I will use it for some times and maybe then I will make some review. But for now, I think it's really cool. If you like this video, please click like. If you don't like this video, it's okay. Please click like, share your feedback in comments below, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you already watched my other videos because they are really cool and useful. If you haven't watched them yet, please watch them. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.